And I think this is one of the last ones regarding customers when it comes to your vehicle lime remover. So why don't you talk a little bit about this?
Yeah, last slide, and I really wanted to emphasize, I was happy this is the last one because especially up here, we got spring hopefully coming soon. We'll see what this groundhog says, but with construction, this is becoming very popular. What you see to the left is what the National Lime Association sends out to most of your construction sites, and that is that they're using this a lot of times for tractors or anything to not get stuck when it comes to the construction sites. And what happens is they just throw lime powder down everywhere and it just kind of dries it up and sucks it up right away so they can actually get back to work. The problem is there's a decent amount of issues that comes to lime powder. It will start to stick to the glass of the vehicles and start to etch the glass. So now you have a safety issue. You can't see as well. Then it hardens on the vehicles themselves, becomes like a concrete substance and starts to tack it and break it down. We were working a ton with customers on this, and specifically through Granger. We have some great, exciting wins that we're actually going to get out in the field this year and document. But in this case, at the end of every day, you could just spray it down with vehicle lime remover, and it will just dissolve all the lime powder that's on the vehicles. I think the biggest one we've had with you guys is at a paper pulp plant with Granger, where they're ordering about 4 drums now a quarter, and they require every single thing at the end of the day to be sprayed down with vehicle lime remover. And it's ensuring that some of these caterpillars of this equipment that cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, we're seeing about an extra 4 or 5 years usage out of it, as opposed to them having to replace the components, the pieces, the parts, just because they're taking care of it every day. Again, that's a cost savings that's unfathomable to me with just a spray. But the big thing too is they could just spray this while they're out in the field. They don't have to take it back to a car wash facility where they have to undergo all this different, collection of the water. Being that it's biodegradable, they can spray it on site. It doesn't require your end user to actually spend a couple hundreds of thousands of dollars to build an actual car wash water holding tank unit. So really fun. I would just challenge anyone that's listening that where we're seeing a lot of this too is water treatment still. Steel production is becoming pretty predominant. They use lime powder in the process of steel, and it actually makes a certain lime slurry where you can use this. Construction's huge for us. Paper and pulp is big. Environmental remediation, chemical production is really stepping up with lime powder. So we do a lot there. And then the newest one, which I'm trying to find out, but we're getting a lot of requests for, is sugar refineries. So anybody that has any of these customers, definitely reach out to me or James at Rowe-Thrush, and let's get this out there and get some opportunities going.
Excellent. I love the fact that you can have the vehicle in the field, spray it down right there. It'll get down into the soil, and you don't have to worry about it contaminating the ground. So that biodegradable feature, and not to mention, congratulations on yet again continuing to win the EPA Partner of the Year award. I mean, you guys have been winning it since what, 2015 or something, or 2017?
2015, we've partnered up with them. Yeah, it's been very good with us.